Hello everyone. It's a nice day. The sun is out. Relatively clear skies, a little bit of wind, but it's about 23 degrees. So the issue I have here is while I did the oil change on this Mitsubishi Challenger, I found the rear gearbox, the transfer box seal was leaking where the drive shaft goes into the gearbox. So I'll show you. Will it done there? So the plan is to undo the drive shaft, pull it out, take the seal off, and then put the new one in, put everything back together, and hopefully it will stop leaking. So without further ado, let's get into it.
अब यो तेललाई यो सिल्नु तेल कैसे सिल देखावे वो चोंगीलाई जन सिल गीचे
हाँ ला दी
कितना बड़ा लगा के
कोई साइज जितना है सब लो चलते रहेगा बढ़ा दो
सिल तो ये लगा है क्या करना Isil rapi mana mama. Teru spring bitter ni. Hah? Ini juga spring bitter lah.
Alright, so I got the transfer box seal changed. I'm showing no sign of oil leak at this stage. I've topped up the transfer box oil, so should be all good to go. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.